When most students are given a writing prompt, their instinct is to respond. But think of this technique as pre-writing. By asking and organizing questions, students will be more engaged in the writing process. This strategy works across grade levels and across disciplines. Let's start by identifying key terms in this science prompt. You are a political advisor to the president. In a position paper, persuade him that U.S. energy policy should focus on wind power. Well, advisor makes me think I'm an expert and need a formal tone. The president is my audience. Persuade tells me what I'm being asked to do, which is convince. And finally, wind power is my topic. Now it's time to start generating questions. A student may work individually or an entire class can collaborate. The goal is to ask as many questions as possible without stopping to discuss, judge, or respond to them. Write down every question as it's asked, and change any statement into an open-ended question. Okay, let the brainstorm begin. Now that we've examined the prompt from several angles, we want to organize and prioritize our questions. Here are a few ways to do that. Choose 3 questions based on the actions you want to take. For example, what are the 3 most important questions? What are 3 questions that might be related in a body paragraph? Or are there 3 questions you want to explore further? After you decide on your 3 questions, you may need to research, develop a project, or use your questions as a guide. Okay, I'm going to link together, is there an economic benefit? What would it cost? And how many jobs would be created? These 3 questions relate to the economy and how Americans would be affected by wind policy. I would organize my answers in 1 paragraph, but they also remind me that I need to do some research before I even start drafting. So remember, to ask plenty of questions, to both crack a prompt open, and to think through your topic in new ways.